So if you were like me and you had no idea about what options were, and you felt like there was something there that you wanted to know, but you didn't know where to get started, let me tell you a couple of things about what options are and what they can do for you. And the first thing to know is that an option is a contract that gives you the right to either buy or sell, but not the obligation, just the right to buy or sell an underlying stock or an ETF before or on a certain date, which is called the expiration date. And you also define a certain price that goes with that contract, and that price is called the strike price. And there are 4 benefits that comes with an option. And the first one is that they have a lower upfront cost. Basically, you can get exposure to a certain stock without paying the full price of the shares. And yeah, you can basically get this exposure for a much smaller amount, for a much smaller initial investment. Now, a second thing that options can do for you is that they can act as insurance on a position that you own already. And it's going to be an insurance if the trade you've made goes against you. That's one of the benefits of options. The third benefit is that you can create a new income stream on a position that you own in your portfolio using options. This is my favorite part of options. This is the one I used all the time. So I highly recommend to check out how you can use options to generate a new income stream. This is great. I have a video somewhere that I will link right here to right here somewhere, where you can learn everything about using what's called the covered call strategy, where you sell options to collect income on a regular basis, like weekly basis or monthly basis, and just keep on repeating that. That's my favorite part. This is like putting dividends on any stock and boosting the ones that already have dividends. Now, the fourth benefit of options is that you can profit in any market. You can make directional bets, and you can also target specific zones where you think the price is gonna be, and then if you are right and the price is gonna be in that certain area, and you catch it at expiration, for instance, then your profit are just huge. So options have a lot of versatility. They are very flexible, and you can create there are simple trades you can do with options, but you can go very crazy with more complex stuff. And yeah, this is great. This is a great tool to add to anybody's investment toolkit. So I highly recommend for you to learn options. And that's about it. If you are interested in learning more about options, I recommend you go in the description. I have a link down there to a video that shows 3 steps how to get started with generating income. So yeah, I hope to see you there quickly.